escape anybody here in the room. The fact that we are in a situation of a global economy that has taken a number of shocks. We've seen mass layoffs in tech giants. But then at the same time, while some people are predicting doom and gloom, others are really quite positive and see a picture of resilience. What's your take?
Yeah, firstly, I'm going to start off. Different regions in the globe have different sort of growth projections. We are extremely excited, quite committed for this region, and we see tremendous growth and excitement in the region, specifically even more so in the country here in the kingdom because of the vision that the leadership has set, as well as how technology has become the platform and digitization is the path forward. So we see tremendous opportunity. We are in the early stages of growth that we expect, and we are excited about the results we see, as well as investments we are making in making sure our customers here and our business here is successful.